Welcome to MyChessPal, your ultimate guide, mentor, and trusted companion in the world of chess. Whether you're a beginner learning your first opening or an advanced player sharpening your tactics, MyChessPal equips you with proven tools, smart techniques, and powerful training methods to master every phase of the game: openings, tactics, middle game, and endgame. After logging in, you'll land on the play screen where the real magic begins. Battle against the computer, challenge opponents online, or revisit your past games in the My Games and Review Games sections. Competing in a tournament? Use the Upload Game feature to quickly record your moves between rounds. Save time, stay sharp, and come back later for a deep analysis. Perfect for serious players on the go. Next, step into the Opening Master, your personal opening coach. Learn the principles, explore world-class repertoires, or even build your own custom opening library. Practice until your responses become second nature. With Opening Master, you'll start your games like a professional and gain the upper hand from the very first move. But an opening advantage isn't enough. You need tactical brilliance. That's where the Tactics section comes in. Train with Tactics Master at your own pace, or challenge yourself with Tactics Racer, a thrilling, time-bound test of your calculation speed. Soon, you'll be playing middle games like a magician, spotting forks, pins, and sacrifices with ease. And when the dust settles, the endgame decides everything. The Endgame Master and Endgame Racer help you internalize critical patterns so you can finish like a machine: calm, precise, and unstoppable. Want to know where you shine and where you can improve? The Insights dashboard delivers powerful analytics across openings, tactics, and endgames. And for extra motivation, climb the leaderboard and see how you rank among players daily, weekly, and monthly. Chess coaches and students can also connect effortlessly through the Coaching Hub, making learning and teaching more interactive than ever. Best of all, MyChessPal works seamlessly across devices: desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile. Your chess journey is always just one click away. And this is only the beginning. Many exciting features are coming soon. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. With MyChessPal by your side, that step transforms into a leap toward mastery. Thank you for making us your partner in this incredible chess adventure. Get ready, because the board is set, the pieces are waiting, and your destiny is calling. MyChessPal, your trusted buddy in the ultimate chess journey.